Hey, Planetari fam! Today, we're taking you on an epic journey to uncover the hidden superpowers that make our planet thrive. From the incredible roles animals and plants play, to age-old sustainable practices found in cultures around the world. This journey will show us how deeply connected we all are to nature, culture, and even economics. Let's jump in. Together, we'll explore the magic of our planet's interconnected systems. Ready? Let's go! Part 1. How animals help the planet thrive. First up, animals. Most people know bees are essential for pollination, but did you know they're responsible for over 75% of the world's food crops? Without them, foods like apples, almonds, and tomatoes wouldn't make it to our tables. Some plants only bloom at night and rely on bats for pollination. Bats also help control pests, making them mini superheroes of the night. What's your favorite food that depends on pollinators? Comment below and let's see which foods we'd miss most if we lost these crucial helpers. And it's not just bees. Dolphins keep fish populations in balance, which helps entire ecosystems stay healthy. And get this! Elephants create pathways as they travel, breaking through thick forest growth. This allows smaller animals and new plants to thrive in their wake, creating mini jungles wherever they go. Part 2. Plants, the planet's natural filters. Now let's talk about plants. Imagine if Earth had a natural air purifier. Well, it does. Trees and plants absorb carbon dioxide and give us oxygen in return. In fact, one large tree can provide a day's supply of oxygen for up to 4 people. Coral reefs, often called the rainforests of the sea, are just as vital. They support over 25% of all marine species, protect coastlines from waves, and even help store carbon. It's estimated that coral reefs are worth around $30 billion annually in ecosystem services. Some plants, like sunflowers, actually help clean up toxic soil by absorbing contaminants. This process is called phytoremediation, and it's nature's way of detoxifying the environment. Do you have plants at home? If so, share what kind of plants you're growing. Let's inspire each other to green our spaces. Part 3. Ancient cultures and eco-friendly traditions. Many cultures have practiced sustainability for centuries, even before it was a global movement. In Japan, people use furoshiki reusable cloth instead of wrapping paper. It's stylish and sustainable. In India, meals are served on plates made from leaves which are biodegradable and easy to compost. In Peru, the Inca civilization created complex terraces that prevented soil erosion and retained water, helping crops grow even in harsh conditions. And indigenous cultures worldwide have used controlled burns for thousands of years to prevent larger wildfires and renew the soil. Even the ancient Egyptians practiced water management techniques that influence the way we conserve water today. What's one eco-friendly habit from your culture or country that you'd like to see more people adopt? Let us know in the comments. Part 4. Economics and ecosystems. A surprising connection. You might be surprised to learn that our economy and ecosystems are closely connected. Forests alone provide about $125 trillion in ecosystem services each year. These services include things like purifying water, regulating climate, and even inspiring medicines. Sustainable farming practices like crop rotation, cover crops, and organic fertilizers keep the soil healthy, produce high-quality food, and reduce the need for harmful pesticides. It's a win-win for people and the planet. Have you ever thought about how your favorite food reaches your plate? Let us know in the comments which foods you'd love to learn more about in terms of their environmental impact. Part 5. Sustainable choices we can make every day. Now that we know how interconnected everything is, let's talk about simple, powerful actions we can take. Switching to reusable bags, reducing single-use plastics, and eating more plant-based meals are all things we can do right now to make a difference. Swapping to energy-efficient LED bulbs, choosing public transport, and composting food waste are other impactful choices. Imagine if millions of us made these changes. Together, we'd have a huge impact on our planet's health. Do you have any sustainable swaps that you love? Drop them in the comments to inspire others. Time for some quick-fire fun facts. Did you know otters help keep kelp forests healthy, which in turn absorbs tons of carbon dioxide? Or that by switching one light bulb to an LED, you can save around $100 over its lifetime? And here's a wild one. Some species of trees can communicate with each other through underground fungal networks. Our communities play a huge role in building a sustainable future. Whether it's starting a community garden, attending an eco-workshop, or educating the next generation, every effort counts. And education is key. The more we learn about our impact, the more empowered we are to make change. Studies show that children who learn about nature are more likely to become environmentally responsible adults. Let's inspire the next generation. So, what's the big takeaway? When we value animals, plants, and sustainable practices, we build a world where people, nature, and economies thrive together. We have the power to create change, one choice, one community, and one conversation at a time. What's one small change you're going to make to support our planet's health? Share it in the comments, and let's inspire each other. If you loved discovering our planet's secret superpowers, hit that subscribe button and join PlanetariHub on this journey to a greener world. Together, we can make every action count.